Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to use this Digen AI because this AI can help you to generate or change your picture to become a video. How is that possible? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is open the Google Chrome and access this Digen AI. And this is the look of the home page over here. It show you the home and also the categories about the video and also the example from the another creator or another user. And also this AI will provide you the facility to remix this example template or this baby podcast, and you can mix it with your picture. And also it will show you the top creator that have created some generated video. And since we would like to create the generation video from the picture to become a video, then you can start to create this or click this create button, and also don't forget to do the sign up or the login first with your Google account or your email, because they will be needed to this AI provides you this 300 credits. And you can click this create and this will direct you into another tab. Well, actually this section will allow you to upload the picture from the device, and this is the picture I select for the example. And as you can see, this video prompt actually the description of this image. And also you can actually add the lip motion over here, but if you don't need it to, then you can just let it be. And also this will show you the video control. As you can see, since we just have the rest of this credit, then we have the chance to create 5 seconds of this video. And if you would like to create the 10-second video, then it will need you to the purchasing of this upgrade to become the pro. It will need you to pay this around $5. And as you can see, this credit is different with this credit because I have tried to generate something and I would know how it will be work. And as you can see, to generate this video, this AI will need 30 credits, and since we have 220, then it will be enough to do the generation. And after that, the generated video will be shown over here, and it will need the time approximately 2 minutes. And after that, it will show you the result over here and also over here. And let's see the result. As you can see, the generated is pretty smooth and natural, and also this will allow you to do the download, and also you can share this video into your favorite social media such as the Facebook, the WhatsApp, if you would like to make the post on your story or the WhatsApp story, and also in the X. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this AI because this is very worth it, and also don't forget to explore more because it is one of the amazing AI. So that's all guys from me. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe if you find this video helpful, and also don't forget to watch our another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.